is a special edition cake plate that I designed, 2 cake plates actually, 13-inch and 10-inch with this star, but here's what I love about it. Both of them have beautiful pedestals, so you have all of that hand-painted detail all the way around the bottom, and then look at how beautiful that is, all in our patriotic pattern. And what I love about these, whether it's hot, whether it's cold that you're putting on here, if you want to stack the two, you can. Remember the 10-inch and the 13-inch, and then I even created this adorable little star that sits right on top, so you can kind of coordinate these. So whether you're doing all of your hot dogs and hamburgers, take a peek over here. I love this. When you want elevation up off your table, what a perfect way, again, to serve this, because again, especially when you're doing buffet, it's always nice to have different heights there. And then maybe you have your appetizers here, the pigs in a blanket, the little shrimp cocktails, or even the fried shrimp. I love that. Now you don't have to get that cookie sheet out. You can actually cook these right in the oven, right in the microwave, and then bring them right to the table. Love the fact that we were able to do egg rolls right in the front, and even like your cheese board, because remember, Temp-tations is great in the fact that it's going to keep cold things colder longer, as well as hot things hotter longer. This is something that we are retiring. It's why we call it a special edition. We bring it in for the season, and then once it's gone, you will not see these pieces again. So if you've been collecting our patriotic pattern, this is such a beautiful addition to it, because we've never done anything like this. 10-inch, 13-inch with our cake pedestals with that beautiful star, and we got a mile-high pie.
A mile-high pie.
A mile-high pie.
You understand that down south we can stretch pie into about 7 syllables.
Will you teach me after?
Pie.
And I saw your tonsils and everything looks good, so
yeah,
we're good.
I have to say, our lavender and your blouse looks beautiful together. Look at that. Hi, friend.
Well, hello there.
Happy Mother's Day to you.
Thank you.
You've got a few items coming in the show, so we're not going to meet your special guest during this presentation.
Since this was going to be a quickie, we just decided we'll wait.
It will be a little later.
We'll drag that out.
But what I do every year is I take vacation over the 4th of July. I have a 4th of July party. And I do lots of decorating, and I encourage everyone, it's a potluck. Yeah. So I do heavy appetizers, and I encourage everyone to bring an appetizer or dessert, right?
Love.
And this is ideal because now it's so versatile. You can use this in so many ways.
Well, I was saying, and it's elevation, right? So especially when you do buffets, right? It's nice to have that height, but a cake plate is one of those universal servers, right? Of course, it's going to hold a cake. This is a 13-inch. This is a 10-inch. Stack them. You could do little mini cupcakes underneath, big cupcakes on top. The little star is one of those things that you can incorporate or nestle right into maybe something that you're serving, or just have it there on the side. But I was saying, this is a one and done. It's a special edition.
Can I also say you're saving over 50%?
It's amazing, actually.
I mean, the price, we have a saying around here that when we mark something down, we ask someone to sharpen their pencil. I think they got out a chainsaw and cut that pencil in half, because this is not $80.32.
Right.
This is you're saving $41.32. You're spending even less. You're spending $39 for this. I have 1,600 of these left to go around. Now, we're celebrating Americana all year round. Now, typically we tend to celebrate it a lot during the summer months, right? Sure. But if you're looking to serve this and have it be a tiered dessert tray,
love that.
Great. Cake plate, perfect. Put your mile-high apple pie in there.
Yes.
I mean, the higher the better. So this is what it's all about. So don't miss out on these. What's the best way to clean these?
You can just go ahead and hand wash these. Because of the size there, you're going to want to treat this, a little bit nicer than you normally would. But again, same beautiful stoneware, so you don't have to worry about bumping it or stacking it. It's meant to be used and meant to be adored.
If I'm serving something warm like these egg rolls, can I pop it in the oven?
You can, and keep it nice and warm.
Oh, perfect.
I wouldn't necessarily jam it in there at 500 degrees, but you can certainly keep everything nice and warm.
What temperature would you recommend?
I would say about probably 300.
300?
Yeah.
300.
300 degrees
just to
on
warm
these.
it slightly, and that way it keeps everything that's resting on it warm too.
Now, cold, of course, put that right in the fridge. Your cheese board will stay nice and cold.
Or a bowl of maybe a mayonnaise-based salad.
Okay, I'll take that.
Okay. All right, you're coming back. You have 2 more items.
I have 2 more items.
And a special guest.
Yes, I do.
All right.
See you in a little bit.
Speaking of special guests, I have one that I'd like to call right now. So let's place a call to my sweet mother, Sarah, in North Carolina. And she is on the phone, I believe, live. Mom, are you there?
I'm here, darling. How are you?
I'm well, sweetie. How are you? Happy Mother's Day.
Oh, thank